we've also heard recently that there's been some progress on the scaling up of Optimus robots. So there's rumours swirling around that suppliers have been contacted and asked if they can supply enough parts to make hundreds of, if not thousands of robots before the end of the year. This is a really, really positive signal, and we're hoping that the Elon and the Tesla board will start to talk about this at the earnings call. Tesla is a story stock and it's an innovation company. So yes, we're going to wait to hear the numbers. Yes, we're going to wait to hear the profitability of the company in the last quarter of last year. And remember, because the auto industry is a cyclical business, what we will do is we will compare the last quarter of 2024 with the last quarter of 2023, so that we get an apples comparison. And what everybody is waiting to hear is some news around full self-driving. So there was some messages that were put out on X to say FSD is almost solved. But that's not really the exciting part. And this is what we're calling a catalyst. There could be some catalysts at this meeting where the investor community, particularly the hedge funds, really sit up and take notice. And if the news is good, they'll say, okay, FSD potentially is as good, if not better, than a human driver. Potentially we'll hear this news about some pilot cities, maybe even more than 2. This would be extraordinarily good news. So what do I mean by solve? Well, full self-driving, it might be at the stage where it's better than the average experienced driver. It's quite possible that Tesla will announce next week that they've reached this milestone in the company's history, and that is huge news.